big giant spot of dirt on my face. Well, there we go. Clean face is a sign of a sick mind. All right, folks, how's it going? Any of my new subscribers, thanks for watching. I have a new video coming, which me making a I don't know what I did with it. I seen it on somebody else's. I didn't come up with the idea. I have a new video of me making a cast iron pan into a scraper. Not a scraper, spatula. I went over to barbecue. So I took one of my small pans and I chopped it up, which is fine. And then I took a big pan, I chopped it up too. So in an upcoming video, you'll see that. What else? What's new? Garage hasn't moved. Gonna be next week loading some of this garage into a storage unit, just to clean some of the stuff out of here. With that said, I don't know what I'm gonna put in the storage because I use all kinds of stuff and I want to. It just sucks. Excuse me. It sucks when you have something in the storage unit. You're like, oh damn, it's in storage. But I'm guessing most of the random things, bicycles, pieces of metal, random stuff I don't use. Like maybe the bikes hanging up, the pieces of cars, the stools, pieces of whatever, weed whackers, piles of wood, whatever I can get out of here. With that said, haven't moved anywhere yet. Probably gonna try to finish the house, and somehow between now and end of the summer put a slab down and maybe try to build a new garage before it ends, because there's too much debauchery going on. Other than that, there's not much new really. I just trying to get in here is a fight between work, real life, kids, and all that stuff. So I try to make time doing their stuff. I'm not giving up on the channel, but I mean life gets in the way, and when life gets in the way, life gets in the way. So, and I ran out of gum. What the hell? So, still making videos. I'm gonna probably stick to making, like I said, a Monday What's New, a Tuesday Tool video, and maybe a Thursday and Friday, maybe or a Friday and Saturday video, if I can pump it out. I'll try to make the Saturday video a little bit longer. Try to add a bunch of stuff to it, make it more interesting, or I'll just make a short video. With that said, I'm waiting for the bike to come back from. I sent another frame out to get sandblasted, and I sent the forks to get sandblasted, so I'll be putting the forks back on this one. I don't know how to put it on, but I will figure it out. I realized that CRC engine degreaser, I never used degreaser before. I've never really played with grease, so I learned that stuff works. Degreaser really works. So yeah, like it. Obviously, it works because they sell it. So. So with that said, that's pretty much it for this week. Not much new. I haven't bought anything. I haven't gone anywhere. No, just working on the house. I'll be doing some wiring in the house. I'm not doing any wiring because I don't feel like putting my sad wiring skills on YouTube and having somebody blame me 10 years from now that I did all the wiring. So, but I do plan on getting a what do you call it? An electrician to inspect the place when it's done. So, with that said, that's it. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for subscribing. I think I had about 4 new subscribers in the last 24 hours. So if you're new, thanks for watching. Thanks. And don't forget to click the like, subscribe, tell me what you think, and enjoy my videos. Some of them are just me making stuff. They're, you know, some people have said they're a waste of time. Some people don't like them. So it's up to you. You don't have to like them. But I just do this for fun. So thanks for watching.